Welcome to Fastwood Interiors Private Limited, where creativity meets cutting-edge precision. As interior architects and designers, your vision deserves flawless execution. At Fastwood, we don't just cut and assemble. We translate your design intent into factory-perfect finishes. We begin with the Nihar cold press. This beast ensures even bonding for panels, giving your designs the strength and surface perfection they demand. A mighty beam saw, synced with your design files, slices through sheets with surgical precision, clean cuts, minimal wastage, no compromises. The Altendorf panel saw brings angles and chamfers to life, perfect for intricate edge designs and architectural uniqueness. With our high-speed edge banders, you get seamless edges. No chipping, no peeling, just that flawless finish your clients love to touch. Next, the Homac CNC drill deck. This tech marvel handles routing, grooving, and corner rounding like clockwork. Complex detailing? Bring it on. Every plank is quality checked, polished, and aligned with your specifications because we know that design is in the details. Your panels are then securely packed and dispatched, ready to be installed without a scratch because we care about your reputation as much as our own. Interior designers and architects, if you're looking for a partner who understands quality, timelines, and the soul of good design, Fastwood Interiors Private Limited is your factory behind the finish. Design it your way, build it our way. Fastwood, precision that speaks your language.